Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume for your HUAWEI MatePad 16s. So there's actually a few ways you can do that, and the first one is on the keyboard. On F4 and F5 you can adjust the volume of your speakers. You can also click on the bottom right corner and then change the volume right here. Another way is to click on this arrow and more volume settings, and somewhere right here we can find the volume mixer. And now you can adjust the volume here as well, and you'll be able to see other devices to change their volumes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.